The Rajput rulers did not have the fast moving army, whereas the Turkish army were mostly using horses. So they were very fast and furious. That is a big cause for the defeat of the Rajput rulers. Now the next is impact of these invasions. Before the invasion of Muhammad bin Qasim, the India and Arab had trade relations. The Arabians, they used to come to sell and purchase of goods with the Indians. And the Arabians, they learnt many things from India. Just as some of the books, Indian means related mathematics and astronomy, found in Baghdad. Actually, these books had been taken by Mahmud of Ghazni. It had developed cultural relationship between Indians and the Muslims. The Muslim invaders, many, they settled down in India and they had adopted the Indian culture. In the same way, the Indians also adopted the Muslim cultures. We can see the blend of culture in food, dress, music and dance. These invasions opened the door of Indian subcontinents for other foreign invaders. The Indian subcontinent doors opened for the migrants. Many migrants have come to India and settled in different parts of India. So far we found from this chapter that Turkish invaders, especially the two Turkish invaders, Mahmud of Ghazni and Muhammad Ghori, they played important role for the establishment of Muslim empire in India, and they succeeded. Mahmud of Ghazni, he plundered the wealth, but another side he destroyed the temples of India also. He destroyed temple because he was against of idol worship and he wanted to become next Khalifa. It was his ambition. That is why, and he was against of idol worship, that is why he destroyed the temples of India. Next, Muhammad Ghori, he came to India, he fought with the Indian rulers, he annexed the territories of India, and after that he returned back to Ghor. But he appointed generals in India who will look after his territories. Okay, thank you students.